Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the SQL tutorial. In the previous video, we have talked about the how to create a database, and inside the database, how to create a table. You will find the link in the description. So please go through that video if you haven't watched. So today we'll discuss about the insert and update statement. So let's start. So this was the employee table. I have already inserted the three records. So now let's see how to insert a record inside the table. So the query is quite simple. Insert into table name. So our table is employee. So employee and then values. So as we have defined three columns. So according to that, let's say my ID for that employee is 4. Okay. And let's say the first name is Akshay and last name is Kumar. So this is simple insert statement. As you can see, one row affected. There were three rows, and again the fourth row is inserted. That is the our employees for Akshay Kumar, whose ID is 4. Now we'll see the how to update. Now let's say I want to update the last name of the employee whose ID is 4. So the update statement is quite simple. Update again the table name employee set. So what value I have to assign to that column? So I want to set the last name so to sing. Where clause we have to use where id equal to 4. So basically I want to update the employee record last name whose id is 4 basically. So as you can see, one row affected. Again, let's see whether it is updated or not. As you can see here, Akshay is the employee whose ID was 4 and his last name is updated. So in this way, the insert and update statement works. So in the next video, we'll discuss about the select clause and where clause. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section. We'll discuss. Thank you.